Ciao guys and welcome to this new episode of Coffee in the Galley. If you spent some time in Maritime Museum or browsing high-end model builders forums, you have probably seen the terms Arsenal model and Admiralty model. They're often used interchangeably, but historically they're not the same thing. Arsenal models come from the French tradition. They were built inside naval shipyards, the arsenaux, as exact scaled-down version of real ships. These weren't decorative, they were ship design. Every frame, joint, and fitting was built just as a full-size ship, often with the same species of wood. They were essentially a masterclass in miniature shipbuilding. Admiralty models are more of a British specialty. Dating from the 17th and 18th centuries, these were presentation models for the lords of the Admiralty. One side fully planked to show, let's say, the finished hull, and the other left open to reveal framing and deck arrangements. They were used to approve design before full construction. If an Arsenal model was the blueprint, an Admiralty model was the sales pitch. So while both are incredibly detailed, the difference lies in their purpose and tradition. Arsenal models were internal, technical works. Admiralty models were high-status, semi-decorative decision-making tools. So next time someone calls your Admiralty style build an Arsenal model, you can politely correct them or just smile, because you now know you're building the sales brochure, not the shipyard's homework. Cheers!